How does GRE computer adaptive testing CAT work? Imagine taking a test where each question you see is chosen just for you based on how well you are doing. That is how the GRE general test uses computer adaptive testing. This method makes the exam smarter and more personalized. Instead of everyone getting the same questions, the test adjusts difficulty as you go. When you start each section, the computer begins with a question of medium difficulty. If you answer it correctly, the next question will be a little harder. If you answer it wrong, the next question will be easier. This process repeats, with the computer constantly estimating your ability level. Its goal is to find questions that you have about a 50% chance of answering correctly. This way, the test quickly pinpoints your true skill level. The GRE uses a section-level adaptation system. That means your performance on the first verbal reasoning or quantitative reasoning section determines the difficulty of the second section in that same area. For example, doing well on the first quantitative section will lead to a harder second quantitative section. If you struggle, the second section will be easier. Your final score considers both how many questions you answered correctly and how difficult those questions were. Understanding this adaptive system is important when preparing for graduate programs. Since your score depends on the difficulty of questions you can answer, it's best to perform well from the start. Focus on staying calm and consistent, especially in the first few questions, to set a strong tone for the rest of the test. Practice with sample questions that vary in difficulty so you can get comfortable with different levels. During the test, it's helpful to manage your time well and stay focused. Remember, the computer is trying to find your skill level quickly, so rushing or second-guessing can hurt your chances. Keep a steady pace and trust your preparation. In summary, the GRE computer adaptive test works by adjusting question difficulty in real time based on your answers. It aims to measure your abilities accurately and efficiently. To do well, you need to answer questions carefully and keep your performance steady throughout each section. This understanding can help you develop a strategy that boosts your chances of getting a score that reflects your true potential.